Hi guys, Mr. M here, Beast Double Arrow. Guys, I just got a couple of questions, man. I just want to answer a couple of questions. So I'm getting a lot of DMs and a lot of WhatsApps, people asking too many questions, and I'm not going to answer everything. Okay, so I thought they may rather do a video instead of answering every single question. Okay, so what the guys have asked me, does the software still work, guys? Okay. That's the first question the guys asked me. Does the software still work? Okay. So let me tell you, yes, it does. Okay. I've been using the software and I got no problems. The software is not 100%. Okay. No trading system in the world is 100%. Please, if you can find a system that is 100%, please let me know. Okay. Please comment below, let me know, and then I will personally buy it from you, okay, or wherever. If they can give me 100%, tell me the system win all these trades 100%, not even any trading system. All right, support, resistance, order blocks, supply and demand, Fibonacci, moving averages, RSIs, stochastics. Man, you name it, no system is 100%, but it all depends on the win ratio, okay? If your system is 50% profitable, 60% profitable, 70% profitable, you're making money, okay? Depends on your risk reward ratio, all right? So, right. So, this is from, if you look at the bottom here, December 1999, okay? There's a sell. Okay, going down. There's a buy going up. We are on a weekly time frame, guys. Let's go to the monthly. Okay, there, 2000. You can see selling, buying, selling, buying. Okay, there you can see. Okay, till today's date. Okay, till now current 2020. Just take this line away, yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay, yeah, 2022, as you can see. Okay, but that is now 21. But there you can see 2022. So let's go to the weekly again. Okay, let me just see something here. Here we go, 2022-01. Okay. There we go, 2022-02-20. But as you can see, guys, sell, buy, sell, buy. So the system is working. To answer your question, the system is working. There's nothing wrong with the system. I'm not gonna fix something that is working. Why? Okay. And this thing don't need to be upgraded. Why must I upgrade it for what? Okay. There's no reason to upgrade it. It's as simple as that. Okay, the system is working, is making money for me, and I don't have a problem with it. You understand what I mean? All right, so that is out of the way. Yes, the system's still working 2022. Okay, the next one is, how do I use the system? Okay, well, I'm going to show you how I use the system. You can either use it for scalping, you can use it for day trading, you can use it for swing trading, you can use it for whatever you want to use it. Okay, whatever style of trading you want to use it. All right. Okay, so let me just let us just do this quickly. I just want to show you guys something here quickly, how I use the system. All right. Let me just go, just put this line here. Where's my red line? Where's my red line? Okay, can't find my red line. Let's draw another line here. Okay, just change that to blue. I mean to red, sorry. Let me show you guys now. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour. Let's pull that line over. Here's my red line. Okay. Right. Okay. So let's go to current market. let's go to current market, okay, as it is now. Okay, you can see us live. Okay, there you can see the candle is moving. Okay, so we're on the 1 hour time frame now as we speak. So what I'll do is I'll go to the 1 hour. Okay, I'll put my line on that arrow. Okay, this red line, you can see there's a blue line as well. I'll put it on the arrow. I'll move down to the 15 minute. Okay, right. So now you can see where's that arrow. Okay, and you can see where's the 1 hour arrow is here. All right, right. And yes, this arrow does move. I'm not gonna lie to you, it does move. Okay, it does shift. All right, it's not because it catches the bottoms and the tops. Okay, but the minute this arrow form here, okay, you see the small red arrow, the minute that arrow forms, okay, that arrow locks. You can go test, you can go test it, whoever got the system, you can go, that arrow locks. Okay, so, and the only time I'll enter this trade, okay, if this line turns red. If this line turns red. So I won't enter the trade there. I won't. So so say for instance this arrow, say for instance, let me show you quickly. Say this arrow was here. Okay, say this arrow, okay, was here. It's fine, it's not a problem. Okay, I wouldn't have entered that trade. Okay, reason being is why I won't enter it. This line is still blue. Okay, so it didn't catch the top yet. It did not catch the top yet. So that one moved from there, it moved till there. Okay, so it did not catch the top yet. Yes, there it caught the top. It's still blue. That arrow turned red, appeared there, painted there. And then this thing, the line turned red. That is where I'll enter this trade. So I'll enter it on that candle. Stop loss is 17 pips. And you can decide what when you want to get out according to your risk management. If you want to take a 1:2, 1:3, 1:1 is entirely up to you. Or if you're working on percentages, you can decide. Okay. So let's go to the next one. Here's the blue one. Okay, here's the blue arrow. Alright, so I won't enter this trade here. Okay, remember this is the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour, the 1 hour line, the 1 hour arrow. There we go. As you can see, I drew my line there. Went to the 30 minute. Yes, there we go. And there. So why do I want to enter this trade if I don't see that arrow and I don't see this line turning blue? For what reason? Why would I enter it? The market is still down. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, as you can see here, the market came down, went up, pulled back, okay, and then it went up again. But I'm out of this market here. The time I'll enter this trade is here, by this candle here, okay, and this line is then blue. So if I enter there, stop loss here is 19 pips, whatever, there we go, 45 pips. But as you can see, the market never came back to this low here. As you can see, if you had to put your stop loss at the bottom here, okay, if you had to put your stop loss at the bottom there, let me just put this line here. Okay, any case, you know what I mean. So if you put your stop loss there, the market never came back here. Okay, the market went straight up in a straight line. Okay, it went up in a straight line. Alright, so there was no reason to get out of that trade because of you were afraid. No, okay, there was no reason to get out. And yeah, okay, if you have, okay, but obviously it depends on your risk appetite, where you're going to get out or what you're going to do. Okay, so let's just go to another example quickly. Let's take this example here. See there. Okay, so I'm putting my line there. Okay, I got the 1 hour arrow. 30 minute. Okay, it's confirmed. Let's go to the 15 minute. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. So, but I'm not entering here, guys. I'm not entering here. You know what? My rules need to be met. So I want to see that arrow. I want to see that arrow, and I want to see this line turning green, red. Sorry. Then I'll enter the trade and see how this market dropped. If you got in, so you got in there. Okay, that is 21 pips. And there you got 23 pips. Even going further down. Okay. So you can stay in this trade, guys, until this is entirely up to you. Like I'm saying, it depends on your risk appetite. If you feel your percentage is good, you made enough pips, get out of the market. The market can change in the instant. You guys know that. You guys know that. Okay? You're thinking you're holding on to trades, and then the market turns around. But as you can see here, this market came down. This line was red, up until here, guys. Then it only turned blue. So you could have stayed in this trade from here. If you got into that trade there, stop loss above that arrow. Again, like I said, if the market hit this high, if it break that high, if it close above that high, okay, then you don't want to be in that trade, guys. You want to be out, because that means the market is changing direction. Okay, so if you got in there 21 pips stop loss, till there 31 pips you would have made. Okay, even you can even go onto the 5 minute time frame. So let's just see here quickly. So that's my line there on the 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute. Let's see the 5 minute. You see, here's the 5 minute. Okay, so if you gotten into this trade, say you gotten in here, okay, your stop would have been 21 pips. Okay, it would have been 21 pips. But if you took it on the 5 minute, as a bit, you know what, if you take it on the 5 minute, it could be a little bit more risky, eh? Because the 5 minute is very volatile. But yeah, you can backtest it for yourself. For those who have the system, I'm just explaining because I've got a couple of questions on WhatsApp asking. I must go through the rules again. Okay, so that is exactly what I'm doing now. So let me just see here. If you got in there, line is red, so you got in there. Okay, you see that would have been a 11 pip stop loss. Okay, compared to on the 15 minute, it would have been a 21 pip stop loss. Okay, and you would have gotten out, say around about there. Okay, just see here, 13, yeah, so this is about 23 pips profit, and the stop loss of about 11 pips, so 1:2. Okay, so but guys, I can go through hundreds of examples, and you know what, the system does work. All right, let's take this one let's go to another one. Let's go to this one here. Okay, let's go to that one there. What date is that? The 17th of the 2nd. Let's just see there, 17th of the 2nd. There we go. So let's go here, 17th of the 2nd. Here we go. Okay, so you are not, you know the market is going down. You're not getting in here, guys. This line is blue. Why do you want to get in? What gives you a reason to get in if you know the 1 hour is potential downtrend? Okay, you can see there's the arrow, and so this line is still blue. So you're not getting in there. You wait. You're gonna have to sit on your hands and wait. Okay, so most probably you'll get in here by this candle here. So you got that arrow, you got the little arrow, and the line is red. So you would have gotten in there. That's a stop loss of 16 pips, and maybe there or there. So you got out there. Okay, that is 12 pips. Okay, because the line turned red. But you didn't lose the trade, guys. You did not lose the trade. You understand what I mean? This is, you know what? This is all stop-ons. You guys know that. That is a stop on candle. If you go to the bigger time frame, it will be a week. It will be a week. Simple. It will be a week. That is all stop ons. I mean, as you can see there, this is all stop ons. All right. But the market, if you took your trade, there, okay. I mean, sorry, if you put your stop loss there, you took your trade there. The market never came back. It went down. The only time it came back is here. There. The market came back there. Okay. Just go to the 5 minute. Now you see on the 5 minute, let me just see something here. Where's that? Let me just see. Where was it? Let me just see. I think it was, yeah, it was this one. Where is it? Let me just put that red line here again. There we go. Okay. So that's the red one there. That one there. Okay, so that's a 15 minute. Okay, like I said, you're not getting in here, you're waiting because this is still blue. Okay, you're going to burn your fingers if you jump in. If you don't follow the rules, you're going to burn your fingers. So you're going to wait, and you're going to get in there. Okay, your stop is going to go there, you'll get out there. Okay, because they're turning blue, it's going up again. But you can decide. You can decide when you want to get in, when you want to get out. Okay, just check on the 5 minute quickly. We said our the stop loss would have been 16 pips, 15 pips. So if you go to the 5 minutes, that's a 15 pip stop loss. Okay, so if you gotten in here on the 5 minute, okay, you would have had a 5 pip stop loss, guys. A 5 pip stop loss. Alright, and you got out there. Okay, that is 9 pips. That is 9 pips. Simple. Okay. So yeah. So you guys that got the system, that's how we use the system. It's very simple. Okay. You know what? Let me tell you something. Guys jump from system to system to system. Okay, because you know why? They don't follow the rules to the T. It's very simple. They don't follow the rules to your T. To the T. Okay, if you got the system, stick to it. Stick to it. I dare you to go back test the system. I back tested the system. That's why I know the win ratio of the system. That's why I'm still using the system today. Up until today, I'm still using the system because I know what it produced. I know what the system produced. Okay, so because you know what? Guys don't stick to their trading plan. They don't stick to their system. They system hopping. You know what? If this system don't work, let me just dump it. Let me go buy another one. Okay. It doesn't matter with any strategy, guys. Any strategy. Okay. It doesn't matter. You need to follow a set of rules. Okay. You need to follow a set of rules. Okay. If you don't follow the rules, you will not be consistent in Forex. Let me tell you that. You will never be consistent. Okay. Like I said, no system in the world is 100%. Okay. So I can even do it on the. Okay. Let's take this for instance on the 15 minute. Let's do this one. Maybe this one here. Okay. Let's do this one here. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let me see what date is at the 18th of the 12th. Let's go to the 1 minute. Okay. Okay, let's go here quickly. Okay, I think the 1 minute might be a bit too far. Let me just go. Let me just see where is it. Okay, that is the 18th of the 2nd. Okay, 18th of the 2nd. Let's go. I must go more back here. Let us just okay, yeah, you see, that's too far back. Okay, let's go to a more earlier date. I just want to show you guys. Okay, let's go to this one here. Okay, let's take that one there. Okay, there we go. So that's a 15 minute arrow, remember? Okay, and let's just see. There we go. Okay, so if you want to scalp, guys, I mean, if you got in there, stop loss is like how many pips? 4 pips, 5 pips. Take profit is 11 pips. 1:2. 1:2. Like I said, you're not getting in here. You're not getting in here. You're getting in when you see that arrow. Like I said, that arrow, okay, this small arrow here locks this arrow. I'm going to show you something. This arrow doesn't repaint. This small one, this small arrow, it doesn't repaint. Okay, like I said, the small arrow locked the big arrow. Okay, so we're not getting in until our rules is met. 1, 2, 3. We take the trade. We don't care what happened. Our rules is met. We're following a set of rules and we're moving forward. Okay, I can show you another one. Okay, let's take this one here, for instance. Let's take that red one there. Like I said, not all trades is gonna win, guys. It's impossible. All right. If all trades had to win 100%, I wouldn't been charging what I've been charging for this system. I can guarantee you that, because then you would have given up your day job instantly. Okay, so let's go to the 15-minute. So that is our line there. Okay, I think I might just make this line a little bit thicker. Just see what happens here. Okay. Okay, there, yeah, that's better. So that is the arrow there. Okay. Okay, so we not, let's go to the 1 minute. Okay, guys, so we're not getting in here. We definitely being patient. We're waiting. Okay, like the 1 minute is more volatile, guys. It's very volatile. Okay, so if you're scalper, you need to be in and out and take your money and run. Okay, so we're waiting. We know we're looking for a red arrow, not a blue arrow. So we're waiting. So we must probably get in by, say, this candle here. Stop loss is going to be like a ridiculous 3 pips. And so you take your trade there, like, well, that is 1 pip. Okay, so like I said, the 1 minute is more volatile, but still, if you had to get in there, okay, if you had to get in there, say 4 pips. Okay, let me just put a line there on top. Okay, 4 pips. Just see here, there. Yeah, say it's about 3. Yeah, 3. Say 3, 4 pips. Okay, and you still held on to your trade here. Okay, the market didn't reach this high. It didn't. It came close, but it didn't reach the high. As you can see, your stop loss was safe. So if you took it there, and you took it out and you took your profit there, there's still 3 pips. But again, this is the 1 minute, guys. You can't expect home runs on the 1 minute. Impossible. Okay, so let us just go to the settings here again. Okay, let us go to the settings. So there's different settings, guys. If you want more frequent signals, you can set it the way you want to set it. So if you go here, alright, just click anywhere till you see the beast double arrow. Okay, 3.1. You go to properties. Okay, so this is everything here. Alright, that is everything there. So just see what happens if you want less signals. Okay, if you want less signals, okay, I just want to show you. Okay, so this is, okay, let's just do this. Okay, so just see what happened to the arrows now. Okay, so I'm going to change this thing to the default settings to 60. Okay, and see what happens. Okay, so you're going to get less signals. Okay, you're going to get less signals. Alright, so let's just do this here quickly. So there we go, there's one there. Let's go down to the 15 minute. Come on, it's yeah, okay, here we go. So let me just delete this line here quickly. Okay, so there we go. That is less signals. Okay, but you see it's still accurate, as you can see. Okay, this is the 1 hour, arrow, as you can see there. There's one there. Just make this line thicker a bit here. Okay, and just make this line thicker here also. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is your 1 hours. Okay, so you go to the 15 minutes and there's your trades, guys. There's your trade. So like I said, you're gonna wait. You're not jumping into no trade until you get that arrow and this line is red. So say for instance you got in there, your stop loss is 21 pips, you got out there, you banked 37 pips. Okay, so even here, so you got in there, stop loss there, got out there, stop loss is what? 22 pips, got out there, 34 pips. But the point I'm trying to make, guys, if the market drops here, okay, is not coming back to that high. You can see it's dropping, provided this line is red. Your rules need to be met. This is red, that is red, and that is red. That's it. You're jumping into a trade, win or lose. Okay, so like I said, this big arrow, okay, does repaint. I'm not gonna lie, there's a reason why it's repainting. Okay, because it's catching the highs, it's catching the lows. Again, this arrow locks this arrow. Okay, so that's my signal to go short. Okay, that and that is my signal to go long. Simple. So if you don't want the big arrow, okay, like I said, it does repaint, no problem. What you can do is you can go into your settings. Okay, you can go into your settings and you can turn the big arrow off. Just turn it off. So big arrow, use big arrow, true, you can put it false. Okay, and there we go. So this small arrows doesn't repaint. I can guarantee you 100%. I'm telling you, this arrows doesn't repaint. Okay, it doesn't move. There we go. You see, it doesn't move. But now the thing is this: if you want to scale down the time, if you want to scale down from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, well, it's not going to be that accurate, because if you see this line here, okay, you won't see a big arrow there. You won't even see a small arrow there. You understand what I mean? You won't even see a small arrow there. You see what I mean? I mean, here you won't even see a big arrow. So if you go down to the 15 minute, okay, here's a 15 minute. You can work on that arrow, is fine. Like I said, this arrow doesn't repaint, and you can still take your trade there. Same here. Okay, same here. You're gonna wait for, it's up. Okay, anything this side of the line, not this side of the line, anything on this side of the line, you're looking to go long. Okay, so but for me, I'm just more comfortable using the big arrow. Very simple. Okay, for me it's very, very simple. So I'll go back and I'll just put on my big arrow again, this double arrow. So I'll put it to true. There we go. Now I'm more comfortable. Okay, so that will be my big arrow there. Okay, that will be my big arrow, and we can go back. That will be my big arrow there. Okay, now that must be a red line. Okay, let me just do this quickly. Just do that there. Let's go back to the 15 minute. Okay, let me just do this. What date is that? 10:02. Okay, 10:02. There we go. Okay, so like I said, this is the 1 hour arrow here. Okay, so we're not getting in. Doesn't matter if that arrow repaint. It can repaint, not a problem. It's fine, let it repaint. But we know for a fact we're not getting in until the 1, 2, 3 is met. Then we're jumping in. Otherwise, we're staying out. Okay? We wait because we know the higher time frame is going down. We know that for a fact it's going down. So we're not taking long trades, we're only looking for short trades. Okay? So yeah, guys, that is it. Okay, if you got any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll reply to all the comments. And yeah, it's very, very easy. I can even go on another pair. Okay, all right. So for me, I'm a day trader. Okay, I'm a day trader. So what I do is I will leave this thing, the big arrow set on 10. That's it. So I can get more signals. Yes, much more signals, as you can see. So and a lot of guys overtrade. Okay, it's like fun. Guys, don't overtrade. If you made your target for the day, get out, man. Just leave it. Come back tomorrow. You understand what I mean? Don't overtrade. That's the biggest mistake that traders do. They overtrade in the market. Okay, so yeah, even if I go to another pair, that Swiss Japanese yen. I mean, as you can see, let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, as you can see, let's go there. Let's just take one. Let's just take another one here. Let's take one there, and let's take one there. Okay, so you got one. You got one signal, 2, 3, 4 signals. Okay, let's start with this one. Let's go to the 15 minute. Come on. Okay, there we go. There we go. So we're not taking this trade until 1, 2, 3 is met. Okay, we're not getting. Okay, this is a bit of a range here, but still, the market never came down to your stop loss. Never. Okay, even here, same thing. Okay, it doesn't matter if this arrow was there. Okay, it could have been. Like I said, this arrow does repaint. Okay, I'm telling you now, it does repaint. So this arrow could have been there. Okay, this is basically just a stop hunt. As you can see, this long wick here. This is a stop hunt, taking all the stops out here. Okay, taking all the stops out here. From here, stop loss here, all the stops here. Here, there, there, there. Okay, took all the stops. But we wait, because even if this arrow was here, this line is still blue, is red. So why do you want to go long? Why do you want to go long if this line is red? Okay, why do you want to go long? For what reason? And we don't have that arrow. Like I said, this arrow lock this arrow. This small one lock the big one. So you take your trade there. Okay, you take your trade there. So you got your blue line, you got your small arrow, you got your big arrow. What else do you want? So you get in there. Your stop loss is 33 pips. Wherever you want to get out, so you got out there 17 pips. Okay, there is 20 pips. But you need to decide in your risk appetite. Okay, so say if you got out there as 14 pips, but you didn't lose a trade. Your stop loss is big, that's fine, you didn't lose a trade. That's the bottom line. Okay, so even if you took it up till there or till there, it's 62 pips, guys. So it's very simple. I'm not saying this trade, this system is 100%. Please don't get me wrong. I'm not saying the system is 100%. You're going to get losses, but as long as your losses doesn't exceed your winners, then is senseless trading. Okay. Okay, so guys, so I think that is it for me for now. And guys, you need to stick to a trading plan. Okay, you need to stick to a trading plan. Okay, you can't go trade all over the show. Either you trade London or you trade New York or whatever. Okay, it's entirely up to you. Okay, as we know, the market is volatile at that time. All right. So, but yeah, is there anything else I wanted to cover? I can't remember now. But yeah, guys, if there's any questions, if you got anything you want to ask, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you guys. But that is basically how I use the system, guys. Very simple, okay? Very simple. You need to adhere to your rules. If you don't have a set of rules, you will never make it in trading. Okay. Any case, that's it for now. If there's any questions, once again, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll reply to it. And then, yeah. So, this is Mr. M signing out. Ciao for now.